Guys, look. We're at Tractor Supply. Look what he does.
Welcome. Right this way. We've been dying to meet you.
He's really cool. New Halloween finds arriving weekly. I'm gonna do him again.
Oh, yes. Enter if you dare.
Yeah,
it's
it's
not
a
for
shoulder
the
movement.
faint of heart. Oh, and happy haunting.
How did Bro make a... Never mind. Yeah, this. Huh? That's cool. Kinda got a booty.
Chickens in here.
With. Yeah. Look at this. Dad.
That's kind of cool.
Home Depot has one of these too.
That's gross.
Yeah.
Yet another creature of the night approaches.
This and that would look good, but yeah. Yeah. Look. Online only. They got rattles. Online only, and then they got that and that and that and that. That's pretty much it, so goodbye. You kind of got a booty.